Good morning. All right, so we are at breakfast this morning and our team surprised us with a little send-off. How cute is that? Gosh, so it looks like brownies. We'll have to try those.
Yeah, we'll give it a try.
Truffles.
But it's a full day, but this is our last full day in Delhi. We started off with some fantastic breakfast, of course, and I think we're gonna kind of keep it low-key, but it should still be a lot of fun, a lot of things to see in India. This 10 days, it wasn't enough. We've only scratched the surface, so there will definitely be more trips to India in the future. But for now, let's enjoy this and then see what the day will bring us. All right, we took a quick taxi ride, wasn't bad, over to the Lotus.
Yes, the Lotus Temple. This is a Baha'i temple, and I was reading a little bit about the religion. It started in the 1800s, and it's a monotheistic religion, so they believe in one God. And it's all about unity and just good for the people. So this is, you know, one of the benefits of traveling is, of course, visiting different places of worship. And this is one that's just so beautiful that we needed to see it.
Yeah. So we walked in and there's this garden path and a slight security check, but it all leads to this. So I think a pretty prominent image when you come to Delhi. So we're gonna walk over there, check it out, see what it has to offer. The tiles are very slippery.
Very slippery.
I've slipped twice so far.
And also, if you visit, beware. There's lots of vendors right outside. They want to sell you everything. Selfie sticks, they want to sell you masks.
It was pretty cool though. They had, I mean, they were regular selfie sticks, but they had them. So if you forget it at the hotel or wherever you're coming from, you can probably find whatever you're looking for here, whether at the market, some clothes, some first copy stuff, or whatever you fancy. So let's go take a look. There it is. How incredible. I know I've been saying this throughout this entire series, but all the architecture is well thought out, just really beautiful. Great detail. So it looks like people are going inside.
Yeah, you can go inside. There's different halls inside of it.
Oh. It looks like there's a lot of stairs to get inside.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little physical labor. You need a good workout though.
It seems like we don't shy away from doing these stairs and mountains and all these things.
How you get to see the best things.
It's worth it once you get there, but the journey, whoa. We're coming up to the Lotus. We saw these pools. There's 1, 2, 3,
4.
4.
I wonder if there's one on the other side.
That's a half.
They seem to make everything symmetrical, so that should be all 4. Let's go this way.
Oh man. No, I'm not doing that today.
You're not gonna go inside? I'll go inside and record them.
Okay. We've had to take our shoes off in a lot of these places, which makes all the sense in the world. Respect, cleanliness. I'm running low on socks, and we have a really long flight later. I don't want to put my socks and shoes. Yeah. So MJ is going to go inside while I wait out here.
From our volunteers and exit. And if you have time, you can visit our information center, which is right opposite the temple. Once again, namaste and welcome to the Baha'i House of Worship.
Okay, so it looks like I'm not going to be able to record inside. They're giving us instructions right now, so I'm going to have to turn off the camera. But we can stay as long as we want inside and meditate and pray. They're welcoming of everybody from all different backgrounds and all different religions. So we're going to go ahead and go in now, so I'm going to turn off the camera. Okay, so I just came out from inside. As I mentioned, I wasn't allowed to record in there, but they did give us a pamphlet with information. So I'm gonna read. They have, it looks like they have some prayers and some information in here about the history of the religion. So this was really neat. What did you do while you were hanging out here?
I just stood around. No, the exit was quite the walk from the entrance where I left to, so I did have a little bit of a walk to go through.
Nice. Yeah, lots of people watching. There's a lot of people here. Some folks were just in there meditating and praying, and there were a lot that was sneaking in some pictures. So there were two young ladies going around making sure people were putting their cell phones away.
Oh, that's fair.
Yeah, nice time of reflection.
All right, cello?
The waters
I think
look
this
really
is the
like...
one that was on the other side. There is another
yeah,
one
there it is.
over there too.
Yeah.
It looks very Blue Lagoon-like.
Well, yeah, because it looks milky, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if they put something in there to make it look that way. Rain is picking up some. Oh!
Puddle.
Let's avoid that.
Well, that Lotus place was really neat. I did enjoy it, just like all the other architecture here. It's still raining outside, so we're gonna kind of hang out in the mall again.
Yeah.
Indoors, air conditioning, can't go wrong. There also is a chai place that we've been seeing.
Gosh, since we arrived.
Right. What is it called? Chai place?
Chai Point.
Oh, Chai Point. So we're gonna go have some chai, enjoy that, and see what other snacks or drinks we can have.
Check out the rest of the stores that are available and enjoy our last few hours before we head to the airport.
Let's go. All right, Chai Point. We are here with a ginger chai.
Yes, I asked him what were the most popular ones, and he said that there were two. The ginger chai and then the masala chai, which is what you got. And can't have chai without a little bit of a snack.
A chai cake.
Yes.
So we've got ginger chai, masala chai,
And a chai classic cake.
and a chai classic cake. All right.
I'm gonna put some sugar in mine. Actually, let me taste it without it. Ooh, that's really good. It's really, ooh man, you could taste the ginger right away. And it almost looks a little shimmery up top.
All right, let me try some of this ginger.
Hot, right?
Whoa!
That's good.
The ginger is like, it's almost like whiskey going down.
And it covers your whole mouth and it goes down your throat. That's pretty good.
Goodness.
That's a different flavor. I've never had chai with that.
All right, this is the regular masala chai. It's very spiced, like tea spice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Are you gonna put sugar in yours?
yeah, yeah.
And this is very, that's very delicious.
Oh, the cake is hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
looks like pound cake.
With a little bit of seasoning in it. All right. Yep.
Wow. All right. Try point. Good, good.
Yes, it's on point.
After a long tuk-tuk ride, we're here.
That was a really cool ride, actually. This is the Agrasen Baoli. I have no idea if I'm saying that even remotely accurately. But check it out. This is a stepwell from the 10th century with some ornate stone wall, including some arch walls, and very popular place to visit.
How cool is this? They store the water down there? I don't know. Huh.
Oh, wow.
It started raining and MJ is down there in one of those. Hey, where are you? Well, I mean, it's neat. I can't see what they were doing with the water. I mean, is it just the water all the way down there, or would this fill up a bit? I'm not sure how these things would work, but regardless of not knowing specifics of how it's supposed to work with the water, it's still quite the structure to see. I wonder how deep the water is.
Ooh, yeah.
We're trying to figure out whether the water comes up or if it's just deep, how it kind of works.
I'm thinking based on the mold level, maybe it does go up.
Who knows?
This is really cool though.
But it is nice to see. Right. What an incredible time in India.
It really was. It was so magical. The amount of days that we were here were perfect for our itinerary. You could easily spend so much more time exploring other cities and other locations, but this was indeed magical.
Absolutely. So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate the support. We'll see you around.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.